Hi everyone, welcome back to PK Mentor. In this video, I will tell you how to use breadcrumbs of Rank Math plugin with WoodMart theme. If you are using WoodMart theme and using Rank Math SEO plugins, go to the plugin settings and see the breadcrumbs here. If you have made settings of the breadcrumbs in the Rank Math plugin settings, and the breadcrumbs not showing on your site, in this video I will tell you how to use breadcrumbs in WoodMart theme. So I want to make some changes in the breadcrumbs in the Rank Math plugin. For example, I want to change a home page label and link and then save the changes. After update the settings, go to the website and refresh the page, and here you can see the changes is not safe. That is the reason. WoodMart not automatically detects breadcrumbs of rank math. You can use this PHP code given by the plugins in the theme files to show the breadcrumbs. But in this video, you can use this code in Appearance theme file editor in the function.php file. Copy this code. The code is given on the website. Go to pkmentor.com. Link is given in the description and copy the same code. So this code is not saving on my side in theme file editor, so I am using WP file manager plugin. You can use this code in Appearance theme file editor and add this code in the function.php file. After adding this code, you can save the settings, and here you can see that you can refresh the page, and here you can see the rank math breadcrumbs settings is showing fine on all the pages, both on WooCommerce pages, blog pages, where you have made changes. And here you can see on the single product page, it is working fine. And these are the settings I have made for your reference. You can change the settings as per your requirements in the plugin settings and show the breadcrumbs on pages. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.